Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable double tap screen to wake up on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on advanced features. Then tap on motions and gestures. From here, just make sure to enable double tap to turn on screen. Now once you enable this option, you can turn on your smartphone by double tapping the screen just like that. And this is how you can enable double tap screen to wake up on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.